Rise of nationalism. Rise
Rise
of
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 nationalism.
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 The main
Huh?
the main
The main
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 reason
reason
why
why
Indonesians
Indonesian
from
from
the nearly
but huh?
nearly
Nearly
300
300
states
states
under
under
colonial
colonial
rule
rule
never
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 united
united
to oppose
to oppose
the Dutch
the Dutch
was the absence
of the absence
of a sense
of the hands
of nationalism.
of nationalism.
Come here.
Come here.
Lumapit ka dito, Paul. Sabi ko, come here. Kasi magbabasa ka ng ganito pag
Under
ito,
colonial.
among
Among
the
the colonials, and this was the
consciousness
continuous until after about 1910,
when
when the Dutch
centralized
centralized its rule of all of Indonesia in Batavia. Each state had its own identity and
culture
culture, and
and
often its own language. They saw
themselves
themselves as
as Javanese
Javanese
or Batak
or Batak or
or
Bugis
Bugis or
or
some of
Sem.
other local group. Ibig sabihin, itong Indonesia, maraming as dito kasi parang kagubatan pa to. Sinakop to ng mga Dutch. No, sinakop sila, di ba? Anong tawag sa mga nakatira sa Indonesia? Java.
Java.
Nis. Pag sinearch mo to sa YouTube, itong Javanese, tingin mo spelling, ano yan? Baka maligo ka mag-isa eh. Malalim dun. Or Batak.
Hawakan ko lang.
Or
Oh,
Batak.
Batak.
Ano tawag sa mga taong nakatira sa Javanese?
Batak.
Tama, Batak. Ay sa Indonesia, ang tawag ay Javanese or Batak or Bugis. In 1825, a major revolt began in Java. In 1825, a major revolt began in Java under Diponegoro, a Javanese prince. Anong pangalan ng Javanese prince? Diponegoro.
Negoro.
But
But
most of the Javanese stayed out of the revolt. The Dutch lured Diponegoro into a trap. Ibig sabihin, natrap niya ng mga Dutch yung mga Diponegoro. Yun yung Javanese prince. Ano pangalan ng Javanese prince sa Indonesia? Diponegoro.
Negoro.
And hinuli siya ng mga Dutch, ending the rebellion in 1835 during the late part of the 19th century. Raden Ajeng Kartini, a Javanese prince, began the crusade for women's equal rights with the Indonesian men. Humingi sila ng karapatan na maging pantay ang pagtingin ng babae sa mga lalaki. Ibig sabihin, kailangan tumaas din ng ranggo ng mga kababaihan na maging pantay ang karapatan na kung ano yung nagagawa ng lalaki, pwede rin gawin ng mga babae. O ano yung pantay na karapatan? Kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga lalaki, pwede rin gawin ng mga
Babae.
babae. In 1908, Wahidin Sudiro Hosodo, a Japanese doctor, inspired the founding of the first national organization, Budoy Atomo High Endeavor, which aimed for cultural progress in Indonesia. It gained support among Japanese who had been exposed to Western education. In 1912, the Islamic Association, Sarekat Islam, originally a Japanese trading society, which resisted Chinese competition in the batik industry, transformed into a mass political organization of several hundred of thousand members and become a serious challenge to the Dutch.